friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. So here I'm back again with another stock pick, and we'll be doing a SWOT analysis, a technical analysis to find out whether it's worth investing in NHPC. So just before I start, just to let you know that 5paisa.com has a buy recommendation in the stock for the short term with a price target of more than 28. So if you look at the current target the current stock price of 25.6, it's almost 10% upside from here. So in a medium term, in the short term, this looks definitely a stock worth targeting. But we'll also not go just by the stock recommendation, but also do a deep dive into to find out whether it's worth investing in the short term or the medium term. So before I go into details, let's see an overview of the stock. So this is the overview. As you can see, the market cap of the stock is close to 25,000 crore rupees. The stock has a trailing P of 8.6, which is even definitely better because it's less than 10. And if you look at other factors like price to book is good, the operating profit margin is good, it's really high in the industry. Dividend yield, which is almost 6.1%, is also pretty good compared to not only the industry median, but also if you look at fixed deposit returns, is definitely good from that perspective. The operating revenue for the last quarter, for the last year, has been 2359 crores. That's good. The net profit has been 869 crores, so that's also definitely good. So all these indicators are really giving good signal for the stock. And if you look at a chart, you will see in last year around May it was 19.65, and today it's almost 25 rupees. So it has risen 20% in last 1 year. So hasn't risen much if you compare to the broader market, which has almost doubled during this time period. But nonetheless, this is a safe bet, I should say. Like if you're looking for a safe bet in the market, as it is more than 50,000 now, this is a safe bet because you're getting good dividend yield. You are seeing good revenue, good profit on the stock, and also in the worst case, if market goes down, there is limited downside on the stock, and the upside is good. And even if you do not get the upside, at least you are assured for the dividend yield of close to 6%, which is not bad at all. So let's do a deep dive to find out what the SWOT analysis says, which is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So if I show you the SWOT analysis, the company has 9 strengths, 3 weakness, 2 opportunity, and 2 threats. We'll go through each of those in detail to find out how it looks like. In terms of the strength, it's effectively using its capital to generating good profit, and return on capital employed improving in the last 2 years. Effectively also using the shareholder fund, the ROE improving since last 2 years. Growth in the quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin, that's having the increased profit margin as well as the profit also increasing. The annual net profit improving for the last 2 years, so that's also good. Book value per share improving for the last 2 years, that's also good. Company with 0 promoter pledge, there is no promoter pledge at all. FII and FPI are the institutions increasing their shareholders, that's also good. It's near the 52-week high, which is definitely not great compared to the bull market, but that being said, this gives us good opportunity for a lot of upside on this stock. It has strong momentum, price above the short, medium, and long term moving averages. So that's also good. When you go to the technical analysis, I'll show you now. If you look at all the moving averages, 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, 200-day, current price is more than all of these moving averages. So that's a good signal for the stock. It has moved up from this 200-day moving average. So that's good. Let's go to the opportunities before we go to the weakness. The stock has a low P, that's a good opportunity, and RSI indicating price strength, that's also good. Going into the weakness, I think one of the weaknesses is not mentioned here. The biggest weakness for NHPC is obviously being a public sector company. That really is a downside for most public sector companies. But yeah, that can just give a cushion in terms of dividend yields and others. But apart from that, the other weaknesses are the poor cash generated from core business, so that's declining in the last 2 years. Decline in the net profit with falling profit margin in quarter on quarter, that's declined a bit. Declining the net cash flow, so those are the weaknesses. Going to the threats, degrowth in the revenue, profits and operating margin in the last compared to the last quarter, so that's a threat. And increasing trend in non-core income, that's also another threat. So these are pretty much the SWOT analysis is, but obviously the strength and opportunities is outshining the weakness and threat. So from that aspect, you can definitely give it a look. The technicals also look good because stock is above all its moving averages. Looking at the shareholding pattern, there is nothing placed, and promoters has 70.95%, mutual funds have 6.75%, FIRs 4.4004%, public has 10%, and others have 8.3%. That's how the shareholding pattern looks like right now. So overall, definitely a good stock to invest in, and definitely I think you should, if you are really worried about the market more than 50,000 right now, then this is a stock which is going to give you good cushion and good dividend yield in the long term. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. If so, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that every time we post a video you get a notification and you get such good stock recommendations from us. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.